Okay, so it's time to create your eBay policies, and the easy way to get to them through DSMTOOL is to go to your name, click on settings, click the lister, and then you're going to scroll down to the bottom where it says create policies on eBay. It will link over to your eBay and it'll allow you to create the policies that you need for your eBay store. So sign into eBay and it's going to take you to your policies page. So basically you need to set up policies so customers have a better trust factor for you. You need payment policies, shipping policies, and return policies. They need to know what they're getting into. So click get started. We're going to fill out each one of these policies. Now, if you remember back in DSMTOOL, we talked about the templates that they have for policies. So you go back here and you go to the templates, and there's a shipping policy, a payment policy, and a return policy. And you want to edit, you can edit them here. It's nice and easy. Go through, I'm going to push pause and I'm going to edit to make it apply to the store that I'm planning on using and pushing it into my eBay account. Okay, so I have manually edited these to make them more specific to my connection to AliExpress. And so what you want to do is like copy that. Okay, so you want to highlight, it just wants to do a link, and do Control C, at least on my computer. And then you're going to go back to your eBay account and you're going to create a policy, and that was my shipping policy. And it's going to, you're just going to fill in the different shipping policies. So shipping policy 7 to 15 days, and that is basically for AliExpress, and I'm going to paste that description into there. The same flat cost to buyers is basically free shipping. So make sure if you do free shipping, now you can do tiered shipping, like you can do 99 cents, and for whatever service you pick, you can vary it. And handling time, I'm going to put 3 days, because usually AliExpress does not ship within 3 days. So I'm just saying calculated cost varies by, it's up to you and whether or not your company will ship internationally. A lot of companies don't. Make sure you check into that before you choose that, and then you can do wherever you want, ship wherever your company ships to. So, and then you want to pick your shipping, and it doesn't apply to me because I'm shipping from China, not the US, and these are all US based services. Handling costs, I'm keeping at 0, and I'm gonna save. So then, okay, oh, it wants me to make sure I grab something. I'm just gonna put something in there that's long, and I'm gonna put parcel select. Okay, so I'm gonna save that and fix more. Okay, so it wants me to do that one as well. Alright, so worldwide saver. So I'm not charging anything, so they shouldn't get mad. But then you see your shipping policy of 7 to 15 days. So you're going to create a policy for everyone. You're going to create a policy for payments, and you just go back. And while you're watching the course, you can look underneath in the curriculum. There's going to be information where you can copy and paste as well. For me, I just have it in my DSMTOOL, but go back to the curriculum page or curriculum spot in your course, and I have pasted this in there for you to use as well. But I'm going to go fill out all these policies and I'll be right back. Okay, so that is it for your policies. That's how you create policies for your business or for your eBay seller's account. One thing I want to note on the return policy is if a buyer is mad and they contact eBay, eBay is going to make you pay for the return. So I'm just warning you. Try to get the buyer, a compliant buyer will just pay for it and ship it back. But that's not always the case. And if you have an issue with returns, I'm going to do a little section on our little video on returns. So just go to that little area in the course and check out the video on returns. But that's it for how to set up your business policies.